You're welcome, children, for this fine gift of hair that we have bestowed upon you. I went to bed with my hair wet. So, yep. Good morning, guys. Happy, I don't know, a Tuesday? It's probably a Tuesday. Kyle, I need you to come closer. I was just talking about my hair, going to bed with it wet. Let's... We make quite a pair, don't we?
We do. When you have a lot of hair and you go to bed, bad things can happen.
Oh, man.
You didn't know I was an evil warlock in disguise. Huh? Looks like we're wearing wigs.
You're welcome, children, for this fine gift of hair that we have bestowed upon you.
And one day, this too shall happen to you.
So what are you eating?
Yogurt.
What kind of yogurt?
Yo Crunch Snickers.
Snickers yogurt. Weirdos don't like to eat yogurt, even though it's delicious and good for you. So we tried Snickers yogurt. It's vanilla, Grayson. Just take a bite. It's delicious. Grayson got a haircut, but also apparently has bedhead. Oh. So you have PE today, right?
Yeah, it's day one.
Okay, I need to do your hair and ponytail done.
Go give Grayson a little hug.
No, big one.
Big hug! Ah, big hug!
Alright.
Alright, let's
Guys,
go,
have a good day at
kiddos.
school.
Bye, Audrey. We'll see you later.
Bye, sweetie.
Have a fun day with Mommy. Okay?
Bye, guys. We'll see you later. I love you, honey. Mwah. Turns out it's Wednesday. As usual, I'm doing laundry, but I'm almost done. I'm always doing laundry. But Audrey's doing letters. We're having fun. This has been a really good activity to have in my bedroom when I need to do stuff with her. And it's chalk, so even if she gets it on something, it just dusts off. Audrey, I love your little ponytail. Alright, I got a surprise for Audrey. It's your Ariel luggage tag. Oh boy, are you excited?
Yeah. Okay, a backpack.
Yeah, you're gonna put it on your backpack. That's right. So Miss Audrey, you guys know this. We ordered these luggage tags from this wonderful shop years ago, and they stopped doing orders. And then I actually did find out they still do orders, but they do them privately, and the wait list is really long. So I was like, wah wah. And then,
Wah, wah.
wah wah. That's what I said. I said wah wah. Wah 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 wah. I love you. And so anyway, I had mentioned that, and so this other shop called Crew Kids with a K, she makes lots of other things, and she was like, oh, you know, I could try to make a luggage tag for you all if you want to do a custom order, blah, blah, blah. And so Audrey picked Ariel, and she made it, and it's amazing. Look at it. It has sparkles on it. And so look, Sophie has one, and Grayson has one, and now Audrey has one for her backpack. And we actually got other things from her too, but I'm going to show those later because I don't want Audrey to see.
What? Hey, no ticket. Look here, Mom. Hey, Mommy.
Hi.
I know what you say. Hey, Daddy and Mommy.
That's a daddy and a mommy? Aww.
Hey, Mommy, I know you got maybe old case. You're a literature. Literature and four. Look at my daddy. No, I let Sophie get out here with us. No, I don't. Hey.
I'm doing laundry, and I'm also about to watch Netflix. And then I am gathering up all clothes that have anything to do with Disney, and I'm gonna take those downstairs and start finalizing our packing list. I'm an early packer, or at least I plan what I'm gonna pack early. It just makes things less stressful and more fun for me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna get that little baby. I'm gonna get her little booty. I got her! I got that baby! Did Mama get you? Are you getting this to be a sleepy bear? Are you a sleepy bear? Yeah? It's a sleepy bear. I love that sleepy bear. Do you want Lammy?
No Lammy.
No Lammy? No Lammy? Oh no, Lammy got thrown. What about Pooh Bear? Do you want Pooh Bear? No Pooh Bear? I'm gonna get that little baby. I'm gonna get that baby. Oh no!
Are you picking, Mama?
Piglet? Well, I don't know where Piglet is. Comes Piglet, Piglet's gonna give you some kisses. Where'd Audrey go? Where did she go? Where's Audrey? Oh man, let me check over here. Let me see. There she is! Alright guys, so I gotta be careful. Audrey is not wearing pants. Show! It's just her little booty. She took her pull-off off when she ran to the potty by herself. Good girl! But since she wanted to go by herself, she did not want me to help. You got Play-Doh in your hair. Since she didn't want me to help. She's not wearing one. Oh, the joys of potty training. Let me go grab another pull-up so that I don't have to be paranoid that I'm actually filming her. Alright, I do not have to go and get the kids today because it's piano lesson day. So Grandnessa is picking them up for lessons. I got all the laundry done except for the drawer stuff, the stuff that goes in the drawer in our room, and the stuff that goes in the drawers in the kids' room. And then I've got 2 things of returns. And then this is all this Disney stuff that I was gathering. Since Audrey doesn't really get what I'm doing right now, I can do some of this in front of her. So I was having her pick out her rain poncho. I ordered a Frozen one and a Princess one. The Princess one's actually really pretty. Look at those flowers on there. I was sitting here with the Audrey bear. I had to go get my camera. She plays so, I love how she plays.
Uh-oh. I got Superman.
She always gives everybody voices and they're always having these adventures. Hey, are you guys gonna go ride in a car?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Where are you guys gonna go?
I go with Joe.
You're gonna go to a show?
I go with Joe. Why do today? I do want it today. There you go. Pennsylvania, Mom.
They're going to Pennsylvania? She really liked Pennsylvania. You had fun in Pennsylvania?
Yeah. Not done. A table. Oh no. It's not my table. Mom, we got put on a table.
Hey, what's up? Oh.
Kyle picked us up salads. We got Carrabba's, y'all. Yum, 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 yum. So Kyle and I got Caesar salads and Audrey Bear is eating spaghetti. And the kids are with Grandma. So I'm pretty excited. Thank you, honey. Thank you. Go Team Hale. Aww.
I'm so excited.
She's so excited. Oh, hello.
I'm not Mommy.
I'm excited, she said. Hi. All right, Miss Sophie's doing her math homework.
And I just finished,
Oh, you already did your Friday homework. Good job. Jack's getting some more dog food. Oh, yuck. Dog food kind of skeeves me out. I never do it. I make Kyle always do it. Guys, look at these. So the shop that I ordered the luggage tag from, the Little Mermaid luggage tag I showed you guys earlier. The shop, the owner, she also makes t-shirts and so forth, and got these. Oh my goodness, look, Audrey's has little ruffles on it. Ugh, they're just so cute. How fun are these? And these are for sale. She did not ask me to share, by the way, but I want to because I just think they're so cute. You can find these, go to her Etsy shop. She's got so many cute things, you guys. And she'll do custom orders, and oh my gosh. And these are available, so if anyone out there is looking for like the little Disney thing, or you're going to the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party, that's where my kids are gonna wear them. There you go. Alright guys, I'm still doing tons of Disney pre-packing. So I have gathered all of our Disney themed clothing that the children own. And a lot of this, like, I mean, I can just show you these. They were not bought for this trip. We just already own it. Grayson has a Star Wars shirt and, you know, Mickey shorts. And those are not bought for the trip. We just already have Disney themed clothing as well. So I just had kind of stealthily gathered it up today, but while the children were away. And now I have gone through it all, so I know what we have. And then I use my handy dandy OneNote that I'm always talking about, how amazing. I love this program so much. And I write out, these are the special clothes, like the clothes they have. Then I can scroll down and I have each day what we're doing. And underneath each day, I write down the outfit they will be wearing for that day. And this isn't some like special Disney thing, like I plan like that for every trip or outing or whatever. I did it for just Kyle and I. Then when we had a kid, I needed to do it even more. Now that we have 3 kids, I like have to do that. But I also enjoy it. It's fun to me, and it makes it not seem as much of a, oh my gosh, I gotta pack, I gotta figure that out. Like instead it makes it fun because it's like part of the process. That makes sense? So right now while I'm doing this Disney stuff, I am appropriately watching Disney vlogs, and our friends is Eric TV 365. They are fellow Houston vloggers, and he is the nicest guy and his family is so sweet. So they just got back from Disney. We were joking, we were like, we should have gone together, but they just got back from Disney World, and so they've got all their vacation vlogs up. I'm gonna put a link because I know a lot of you guys are big Disney fans. I'm gonna put his little channel up there. But I'll put a link directly to the actual Disney playlist. So if you guys are jonesing for some Disney vlogs from a family, like they just put all theirs up, and I'm having fun watching that. But in the meantime, I'm going to call it a night, and I hope you all had a great today, and I hope you have a wonderful tomorrow, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye guys.